Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have found a very easy way for you to add whimsical fun to your next dinner party. And your guests are going to be so impressed with these tiny little flamingo cocktail picks. So whether you want to use these on a charcuterie board, you want to put some olives in your martini glass, or you just want to use them for other appetizers, you can't go wrong with this natural bamboo pick. I love the fact that the wooden part, the pick, is without dyes, so you're not worried about that getting in your drink or on your food. They're large enough for you to put several items on them, and they stand up well. Look at the detail, the little tiny face with that little eye. I love the fact that they come in two different colors and they have such detailing on them. So this is so much fun to add to your next dinner party, and I just think your guests are going to be so impressed. Whether it's a tropical theme or not, you can't go wrong when you add little flamingo friends to your cocktails, your charcuterie board, or just your appetizers. Such a fun and easy way to bring a little bit of extra excitement to your dinner party, and that is my point of view.